Hello, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting topic in the world of artificial intelligence. We'll be comparing two powerful language models, ChatGPT and Bard. So, let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence has made significant advancements in natural language processing, leading to the development of powerful language models that can generate human-like texts. Two prominent examples are ChatGPT and Bard, which have gained popularity for their ability to engage in meaningful conversations and produce coherent and contextually relevant responses. We will compare these two AI language models, examining their strengths, weaknesses, and potential applications. Firstly, let's discuss ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on the GPT 3.5 architecture and has been trained on an extensive dataset to generate human-like text responses. It excels at conversational interactions and can provide detailed and coherent responses to a wide range of queries. ChatGPT is known for its ability to understand context, maintain a consistent tone, and engage in meaningful conversations. It's capable of answering questions, providing explanations, giving suggestions, and even participating in creative writing collaborations. Its versatility and adaptability make it a valuable tool for various applications, including customer support, language translation, content generation, and much more. Here are pros of ChatGPT. 1. Contextual understanding. Has the ability to understand the context of a conversation, allowing it to provide relevant responses and maintain coherence. 2. Large knowledge base. ChatGPT has been trained on an extensive dataset, enabling it to generate informative and accurate answers to a wide array of questions. 3. Creative and engaging. ChatGPT can generate imaginative and engaging responses, making it an enjoyable conversational partner for users. On the other hand, some cons of ChatGPT are: 1. Over-reliance on training data. ChatGPT responses are based solely on patterns and information from its training data, which can occasionally lead to incorrect or biased answers. 2. Lack of critical thinking. While ChatGPT excels at generating coherent responses, it does not possess the ability to critically evaluate information or exercise independent judgment. 3. Contextual limitations. ChatGPT may struggle to maintain context over long conversations, leading to occasional lapses or repetition. Now, let's turn our attention to Bard. Bard is another impressive language model developed by OpenAI. It's specifically designed for generating creative and imaginative content, such as poetry, stories, and scripts. Bard builds upon the foundation of ChatGPT and incorporates specialized training to enhance its creative capabilities. Bard has a deep understanding of language, allowing it to craft eloquent prose, evoke emotions, and generate captivating narratives. It can generate original poems, write engaging stories, and even compose songs. Bard's ability to produce human-like creative content has sparked the interest of artists, writers, and creators worldwide, opening up new possibilities for collaboration and inspiration. Here are pros of Bard. A. Narrative generation. Bard is highly skilled in crafting engaging narratives, making it an excellent tool for writers and storytellers who need inspiration or assistance in generating creative content. B. Story structure. Bard can generate stories with well-defined structures, including character development, plot progression, and climactic moments. C. Writing style adaptation. Bard can mimic various writing styles or genres, allowing users to customize the generated text according to their preferences. Also, the cons of Bard include: A. Limited conversational abilities. Bard's primary focus is storytelling, so it may not perform as well in engaging in back-and-forth conversations as ChatGPT. B. Subjectivity and creativity. While Bard can generate creative text, creativity is subjective, and not all generated content may meet the expectations of users. C. Less versatile. Bard's specialization in storytelling may make it less suitable for applications that require factual or concise information. Now that we've explored the capabilities of ChatGPT and Bard individually, let's compare them head-to-head. In terms of conversational abilities, Chang shines. It has been extensively trained to engage in meaningful and informative discussions, making it an ideal choice for applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer support systems. Its ability to understand context and provide coherent responses makes it a reliable conversational partner. On the other hand, Bard's strength lies in its creative prowess. If you're looking to generate imaginative and artistic content, Bard is the go-to option. It can generate poems, stories, and scripts that are rich in emotion, vivid in description, and captivating in their narrative. Bard's creative potential opens up new avenues for writers, musicians, and creators seeking inspiration. However, it's important to note that both ChatGPT and Bard are complementary rather than direct competitors. They serve different purposes and can be combined to enhance their respective strengths. For instance, you can use ChatGPT to interact with users, gather information, and then use Bard to transform that information into a creative piece. In conclusion, ChatGPT and Bard are two powerful language models developed by OpenAI. While Chat excels in conversational interactions and providing informative responses, Bard specializes in generating imaginative and artistic content. Both models offer unique capabilities that can be harnessed for a variety of applications. The choice between ChatGPT and Bard ultimately depends on the specific needs and goals of the user. And that will be all for this video. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button, like and share to someone who needs to be informed. See you on the next video.